Here is Kobe Music Arena, and we are here to give you tutorials on rudiments of music theory. Rudiments of music theory. Understanding the basis of music. Introduction to the course. Music, as we all know, is a very broad subject that have to be pursued through a gradual process of studying. However, there is some basis that beginners must know in order to help them build upon without much difficulties. This theory is going to give you much on the basis of music, particularly the music staff and the tonic so far. The music staff and the tonic so far. I therefore recommend to those interested in learning music to learn these bases for better advancement. We will present to you one or two topics each and every weekend. That's each and every Friday on our YouTube channel, Kobe Music Arena. Kobe Music Arena. Just go to YouTube, search for Kobe Music Arena. Stay tuned there and subscribe to the channel. Below are the following topics we are going to embark on. We'll first look at the staff and nose. The staff and nose. Then the clefs. We look at lines and spaces, ledger lines, key signature, and the circle of fifth. We look at note values, stem direction and length, the grand staff and accidentals. We also look at simple intervals, then enharmonic equivalence, measure and bar line, time signature, rest. Learn something about augmentation dots, then ties and slurs, triplets. We'll learn something about tempo marking. We also learned something about dynamics and articulation, economical devices. We also teach you how to transcribe staff to tonic so far. Then we give you other tips for easy reading of every music score. Then we finally teach you how to compose music using the Finale app. Alright, so just stay tuned with us and trust me, you'll become a genius within the shortest possible time. Okay, so all that you need to do is go to YouTube, search for Kobe Music Arena, then subscribe to the channel. What we are going to do is we are going to let you know all the topics concerning rudiments of music theory, and we do this by uploading tutorial videos on one or two topics each weekend. So stay tuned with us and you will become a genius.